What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. Welcome back to the channel. This is a short DIY video. You guys know I am filling in the gaps for not making a video on Sunday. So I just released the cooking video earlier today. You guys had the whole living room reveal video on Monday, but what I should have did, I should have broke that video up and did like the whole table customization video as a separate video, and then I could have filled in some more gaps, y'all. Like, I don't be thinking about stuff like that. I really don't. I just be jacking TK's head.
Like, this is one of my favorite wigs, y'all. This is one of my emergency wigs. So I have this curly one, and it is human hair, y'all. I have this curly one, and then I have a straight one that is like the same color that I just go to, like when I'm in between hairstyles and don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with my hair. This is what I do. Throw one of these bad boys on, throw a hat on if it's cold outside, like it is now, or try to make it look as natural as possible with like the party spaces and all of that stuff. If it's not cold outside, and kind of go from there.
So with this little DIY, you guys, this one is so quick and easy. Like, it will literally take you not that long at all. You just need your arrangement of ornaments. Since the colors that I'm using in my room are pretty much like white, silver, gold, and pinks, mostly rose gold pinks, because I don't really have a lot of like pink ornaments, but I did want to take away from my I did want to make sure that I included my pink tree and of course the pink that I have in my like bed duvet covers. But I will be using my pink and gold ribbons for the most part on my ornaments. Now, I did already put my garland up. So it is right up over my bed. You guys see where it slopes down a little bit right there in the middle. I need to take a nail and actually put it right there in the middle to get it, you know, up a little bit more. This was one of those the cheap Walmart garlands. So just be aware, y'all, it's gonna be a little flimsy. It's gonna be kind of flimsy, y'all. So with this one, I feel like I'm gonna need probably like 16 to 20 ornaments, if I want to use it on that. You will need some battery operated lights, colors of your choices depending on which colors you want to use. I, for the most part, am going to use white lights. I was thinking about using colors, but I don't want to throw off from the color scheme that I have going on in my room, so I'm going to just use the white ones and go from there. And I gotta go find them. I just realized that, y'all, so I will be back. All right, guys, so go ahead and get some nails and go ahead and straighten that on out. I fluffed it out a little bit. You guys will see that the ends of this are a little bit thicker because I did loop it around. I wanted it to be just a little bit shorter than the actual ends of like my bed headboard. But I did want it to be like just kind of I don't even know how to I mean vertical. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how to explain it. I did want it to be like right above it, but not exactly the same length of it. Kind of just kind of like water falling over it, if that makes like any sense. So I do have like these little battery operated lights. You just kind of pull this little tab out right here, and then I would unravel this portion right here. You guys can see right here, this little part that's sticking out. You just kind of unravel it and unroll it. Once you pull out the tab, there is a little switch right here that you can switch to on. These are also the ones that I used in the living room on like the mantle, and then also on the garland one that's hanging over the couch. And then I did do me a lot of the little pink, white, and gold and silver ornaments. I am just going to start layering them right on top of this, going all the way across. So you guys can just stay tuned. I don't really know where my stand is, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to record that portion. So to say, I'm going to try to, y'all. So if I can place it.
Bruh.
God bless them too. Let me see. Oh, okay. Y'all can get a little bit of a sneak peek. Okay, that gives y'all somewhat of a view. So first, we are going to get our wire lights on first. I'm going to unravel it really quickly. And you guys, there are going to be a lot of parts that are going to be zoomed. So just stay tuned for the fast forwarding, because I don't want you guys to just be looking at absolutely nothing, which a lot of this video will be pretty much absolutely nothing with me like tying this, tying the ornaments and stuff on the garland. So I want to make this as short as video as possible, because it really does not take that long as a DIY overall anyway. Sheet set for my bed, y'all, because the colors that I have are not going to go with the duvet cover that I'm going to be using. Make sure I don't step on my ornaments. Okay. You guys, quick and easy peasy. I didn't even turn the other side on, but I just wanted you guys to get the gist. You will be seeing the full effect come with the bedroom reveal, but that is it for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY from start to finish, and until next time, you guys, I will be seeing you soon. See ya. Why are you so cute?